Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. As requested by my wife, she wanted to eat this dish called 鱼香茄子. 鱼香 is actually one of the flavor and mixture between few different kind of sauce, in China. So 茄子, of course, is the eggplant. It is also called spicy eggplant, something like that. I saw many different kinds of translation on this particular dish. Perhaps you can put inside the comment and let Appa know what exactly is the correct name. Okay, in English. Okay, so this is called 鱼香茄子 eggplant. And I have approximately 300 grams of eggplant. I don't know where my wife bought all this eggplant so small. Sometimes one single eggplant already 300 grams. Okay, so I did not cut it first because this is something that can oxidize even faster than a potato, and so therefore I don't cut it. I only cut it when I want to fry it later. Okay, we are going to cut it into long strips. And then of course we need some minced meat. You can also use minced chicken, no problem. This is approximately, I would say, somewhere around 30 to 40 grams. And this is the spicy bean paste. I'm using broad bean paste. You can use the normal bean paste as well, but spicy type. This dish is a little bit spicy actually, so that's why you will see, usually you will see some chili padi, some bird eye chili. And this is approximately 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. So later these three will go in and garnish with spring onion towards the end. And what do we need to make the yu xiang sauce? Of course, beside the bean paste, some people don't even put the bean paste. So there are many different versions. So this is it. 1 small bowl of water, about 1 tablespoon of dark vinegar, about 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, a bit of salt, sugar, and some cornstarch. Okay, so first thing, some people don't even marinate the pork, but I like to marinate it with a little bit of light soy sauce and some Shaoxing wine. To help get rid of the gamey smell from the meat, if any lah. And also we can actually, this Chinese say 打水, meaning you beat the water into the meat itself so that the meat will not be very dry. It can be more tender. See, you don't see any juices left. Nothing, because everything has been absorbed to the into the meat itself. Then the meat can be more tender. This is one trick that you can do. Okay, so today I'm going to try the less oil version. I'm putting about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil here and heat out the wok. Usually this dish they will use a lot of oil to deep frying, and that is the time where the eggplant start to act like a sponge to absorb a lot of oil. So this is one reason why many people doesn't like to cook this dish. So today I'm going to try another way where I'm just going to pan fry the eggplant, and then I'm going to simmer it with some water. Oil is what going to make the eggplant look shinier later. Some people will remove the skin. I personally prefer to keep the skin. Okay, stir fry for a while. Right, then we are going to add 1 small bowl of water and let it simmer. I think for a minute or 2 should be enough. I will check later. We'll come back shortly. We need to we need to this stage you need to cook it until it is almost fully cooked, because later we are just going to mix it with the sauce. We are not really going to cook it. Okay, this is approximately about 4 or 5 minutes actually, and I notice the moment you put water, the eggplant will actually turn color because of the water a little bit, but it's okay. At least I'm now using less oil. So I sacrifice a little bit on the color. If you use only oil to deep fry, you will get everything in purple. Okay, done. I'm going to take it out. Right, now we can start cooking. Give it a little bit of oil. Let's saute our minced pork first, or minced chicken, whichever you use. Let's saute this for a couple of minutes before we continue. We'll come back shortly. So this is after about a minute or two, sauteing to making the minced pork to be a little bit charred, just a little bit charred. Put it aside. Add in a little bit more oil. Put in the spicy bean paste. Garlic, ginger. I'll put the chili later lah. I don't want it to be too spicy. My family can't really take spicy. Ooh, super fragrant. The chili. And you should get ready your the Yu Xiang sauce, which I already mixed. The water, the light soy sauce, and dark vinegar, sugar and salt. And you can also add a little bit of white pepper. Wow, very fragrant. And also in about 1 to 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Yeah, this is going to be the starch solution as well. So immediately this is going to be very thick. Immediately thicken up. And now I can put in give it a few stir. You can put in a little bit of Shaoxing wine right now. Up to you. Put half of the green onion, spring onion. Alright, it's basically done. Let me just give few dashes of white pepper. Off the fire. Done. I'm going to dish it out. Alright, here's Appa Yu Xiang Qiezi, and don't forget we have some spring onion left. Okay, very simple. I hope you like my video. This is the less oil version, okay? Non-deep fried version. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to a friend. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.